What's up, everybody? I am Shay Richardson, and I'm here to give my full review on the Self-Publishing Blueprint. Yes, this is a recent release from Emeka Osai. I've been following Emeka for about a year now, and within that short time frame, Emeka's been able to ditch his 9 to 5 and earn a full-time living from his self-publishing business, right? So I am just happy that I was able to get my hands on this and to read it. Now, just to jump right on in, one of the most valuable sections to me that really helped me out is the keyword and niche area, okay? I don't know about anyone else, but I have a tendency to have what they call analysis paralysis. I tend to overthink things, and this kind of breaks it down for you. It's a little tiny book here, but it is jam-packed with a ton of valuable information. So I highly recommend this to those who are interested in self-publishing their creative works or works from other people. So in this book, Emeka goes through a lot of things, right? It basically explains why you should take a look at Amazon's Kindle publishing platform, why you should go with that, how to pick the most profitable keywords and niches. Highly valuable section, okay? And he also takes you through the entire book creation process. So it's a bit detailed in here to be such a small booklet, okay? It has a ton of valuable content in here. So I highly recommend this for those who are just starting on their self-publishing journey. If you are very creative, you write great stories, and you want to get into profiting from your craft, check this out. This is for you. If you are just looking to earn a little extra income on the side, this is for you. Or if you just want to go all out and, ditch your 9 to 5, fire your boss, and you want to make consistent monthly income passively, this is for you, okay? You definitely want to get your hands on this. Again, Emeka is a very knowledgeable person when it comes to this. He's experienced great success in that, again, he's been able to leave his 9 to 5. So you definitely want to go with someone who's been there, done that. There's no need to reinvent the wheel or try to come up, on certain strategies on your own, because it's all with this guy, right? So make sure you check this out, get your hands on it if you are interested in self-publishing. You want to have this. Peace.